Question asks to do partial fraction decomposition on this. I'm going to write x to the fourth plus 9x squared, factor that one. And so let me rewrite this as 9x cubed plus 8x squared plus 45x plus 54 divided by, I'm factoring out an x squared, and that leaves x squared plus 9. So now I've got my partial fractions. This will be a over x. Remember, I have to break this into its factors. First x and then x squared. Plus, now since this one is a linear equation, I need a linear cx plus d, or a linear expression rather, divided by x squared plus 9. Then I'm not really worried about the denominators, but I have to look at the numerators as if I'm trying for a common denominator. The common denominator is x squared times x squared plus 9. So it would be a times x squared plus 9, because 1x factors out, plus b times x squared plus 9. Because remember, the common denominator is x squared times x squared plus 9. And for this one, the x squared cancels out. And then the x squared plus 9 cancels out, so this is plus cx plus d times x squared. Now I will multiply those out, distribute, and then compare those to the coefficients of the equation in the numerator. Ax times x squared is ax cubed plus 9ax plus bx squared, just distributing, plus 9b plus cx times x squared is cx cubed plus dx squared. So now we'll gather like terms. X cubed, a plus c x cubed. Then let me find x squared plus b plus d x squared. Now x terms, just that one. Notice I'm crossing them out so I don't forget anything. 9ax plus, then I've just got a constant, 9b. Let me pull down the original expression so that I can compare coefficients. It is this one. I guess I'll pull it from there. And I'll put it here so I can see it. So now I'll make this system of equations. A plus c has to equal 9, the coefficient in front of x cubed. So a plus c equals 9. B plus d has to be the coefficient in front of x squared, which is 8. B plus d equals 8. 9a has to be 45, the number in front of x. And then 9b has to equal to 54, the constant. So I've got 4 equations, 4 unknowns, but these two are easy to solve. A equals 45 divided by 9 is 5. B equals 54 divided by 9 is 6. And I can use those to find the other ones. I'm having a hard time scrolling over here. So if A equals 5, 5 plus C equals 9, and C equals 9 minus 5 is 4. B plus D equals 8. But I know what B is. B is 6, so 6 plus D equals 8. D equals 2. So now I know it's A over X, which is 5 over X, plus b over x squared. B is equal to 6 plus cx plus d over x squared plus 9. C is 4, 4x, d is 2 plus 2 over x squared plus 9. And there's the partial fraction decomposition. 5 over x plus 6 over x squared plus 4x plus 2 over x squared plus 9.